Hi everyone, let us move on to our daily maths abhyasam, where we are going to see our daily dose of differential equation. Now we are going to look at the fourth video on differential equations. That is going to be formation of differential equations, based on regular equations. In a previous video, we seen formation of differential equation based on standard equations. So, in this we are going to see the regular form of equation. We are going to eliminate the arbitrary constants given in the question, and firstly we are going to see the ECET questions which is asked in from last few years. Then we are going to look at most expected questions and this formation of differential equation based on regular equations. Right. So, first of all, we are offering a beautiful opportunity here. Please utilize this opportunity for only 2,900. We are going to get complete course with wonderful gunshot bits. Try to utilize these gunshot bits. Try to come into the exam mode first. Practice these gunshot bits. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can refer the full course. And look at the previous questions. We have provided the previous questions with video solution. Try to see all the videos and get the maximum possibility of the knowledge. Then you can easily get good marks in a ECET examination. So our app is available in Play Store as a SAIMEDHA.in. Please download the app and just enter your basic details. Then your sign up process will be completed. If you have any doubt regarding this in the admission process, please contact these numbers 9246212138, 9642858989, 9848692598. And in addition to this course, we are providing the wonderful designed question by the expert faculties, that is maths separate bits 1000 bits topic wise, physics separate bits topic wise 700 bits, and chemistry grand test 700 bits, and maths MPC grand test 300, engineering subject wise 10 test, that is 10 grand test 1000 bits, engineering grand test combining all the engineering subjects together, those are 3 grand test 300 bits, separate subject wise, and combination of all engineering, combination of complete MPC, and throughout syllabus, that is ECET examination pattern syllabus, mock test are 9 mock test, each test 200 bits, 1800 bits. You have an opportunity to write ECET before going to attempt the ECET. You have an opportunity to write ECET for 9 times. By enrolling in this course, you can write ECET exam for the 9 times. You can write here. Okay, this is the opportunity here. Okay, please try to practice the same pattern of designing of questions. Right. So if you are able to write ECET before going to write, definitely it will be useful to write the exam in a most effective way. Let us jump on to our discussion. So if not anyone subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel SAIMEDHA Hyderabad and like this video and encourage our work. That will give the energy to continue our work here. Right. So the topic is formation of differential equation based on a regular equation. There is no standard here, right? Before we discuss standard, based on two different types of standard equations, we directly written the answers for that. But these are based on regular equation. Let me read the question for you. The differential equation found by eliminating the arbitrary constants A from, this was given in ECET 2015 in a AP. So let me write a question here. If I differentiate this question, it's going to be like this: a square y1 plus a is equal to 0. From this, if I derive the a value, ay1 plus 1, if I take a common here, it's going to be ay1 plus 1 is equal to 0. From this, a is equal to minus 1 by y1. If I substitute minus 1 by y1 in the given question, then I am going to get the answer here. That is going to be y by y1 square minus x by y1 plus 8 is equal to 0. That's it. If you simplify this, you are going to get an answer here. So the answer will be 8y1 square minus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. That's very easy. You can answer this question like this, and the options are going to be one of any option here. If you observe the option, the first option is going to be right answer for this question. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. This was asked in a ECET examination, AP ECET. So this question is asked in ECET 2015 in Telangana. Look at the question. The differential equation corresponding to y is equal to root of 5x plus c. What is the arbitrary constant here? C. We need to eliminate c. If you differentiate one time, it is going to be y1 is equal to root f of x formula 1 by 2 root f of x plus internal derivative 5. And root 5x plus c is nothing but y, that is y only, right? If you transpose y here, our answer is going to be y1 is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 also can be written as 2.5. That's it. This was given for 1 mark in a ECET examination, that in 2015 in a Telangana board. So the answer is fourth option. Very simple, you can easily answer the question, but try to focus the elimination of the arbitrary constants. So what exam we wanted to eliminate, so you need to recognize that, okay. Here the elimination should be the small c, so that we differentiated and we eliminated. Look at the next question then. If y is equal to cx minus c square is the general solution of the differential equation, then what would be the differential equation? If it is a solution, then what would be the differential equation? This was asked in AP ECET 2017. So differentiating both sides, you are going to get y1 is equal to c. Replace c by y1. That's it. That is going to be answer. If you replace c by y1, it is going to be y is equal to x into y1. y1 is nothing but dy by dx minus c square nothing but dy by dx whole square. That's it. This is given for 1 mark in a ECET 2017 AP exam. Okay. So what would the answer then? Look at the options. Definitely you are going to get an answer in this. So the answer will be first option, because see, if you transpose the two terms to the left hand side, minus will become plus, plus will become minus, then definitely you are going to get a dy by dx whole square plus this will become minus x dy by dy plus y is equal to 0. This is equivalent of an answer. From this we can say first option is going to be the answer. Is it clear? Chalo, look at the next question then. The differential equation corresponding to the family of cos y is equal to a into e power bx, where a and b are arbitrary constants. And see, this question was repeated for multiple times. Okay, then let us see how to do the problem here. Okay, the question was y is equal to a into b power x. If I differentiate both sides, y1 is equal to a into e power bx. E power bx derivative is e power bx into b. While differentiating, a is a constant, I am keeping aside. E power f of x formula, e power f of x into f dash of x is a small b. See, this a into e power bx is nothing but given question, that is y, that's why I am replacing that value by y. Is it okay? Right. So this can be written like this: y1 by y is equal to b, y1 by y is equal to b. Differentiating both sides with respect to x again, then it is going to be y square y into y2 minus y1 square is equal to 0. From this our answer will be y into y2 minus y1 square is equal to 0. What do you mean by y1 here? y1 is nothing but a first derivative, y2 is nothing but a second derivative. Then this is going to be answer. Look at the options then. Y by 2 minus y1 square is equal to 0. In the options, you just transported this minus 1 by minus y1 square to the right hand side. Then our answer is going to be third option. In options, this minus y1 square was transported to the right hand side. That will become a plus. Based on this, the third option is going to be the answer. This was repeated again in one more year. Let us look at in the coming discussion. Okay, this was for the 1 mark given in a AP ECET 2017. Look at the questions, quite easy. You can easily answer these questions. Where we practice a lot of problems in class. If your practice is sufficient enough, definitely you can answer all these questions. We practice more difficult problems also in a regular equations. A and b are arbitrary constants. The differential equation having xy is equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x plus x square as a general solution. If it is a general solution, we need to find out a differential equation for this. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. If I differentiate, this is UV formula, that is going to be xy1 plus y is equal to a e power x will be always a b e power x only. You can differentiate n number of times, the a into e power x will be a into e power x only. If I differentiate the second term, that is going to be minus b into e power minus x, because e power minus x derivative is minus e power minus x. If I differentiate the other term, that is going to be 2x, that is going to be 2x. Is it okay? Right, I had as I had two arbitrary constants, I need to differentiate one more time here. If I differentiate further here, it is going to be xy2 plus y1 UV formula, and y derivative will be y1 is equal to a into e power x will be as it is a into e power x, plus this value become e power minus x, again minus e power minus x, minus into minus plus b into e power minus x. 2x derivative is plus 2. 2x derivative is plus 2. See, from looking at the question, a into e power x plus b into e power minus x is nothing but xy minus x square. This complete value is nothing but what? Xy minus x square. Replace the value at a into e power x plus b into e power minus x. Then it is going to be xy2 plus 2y1 is equal to xy minus x square plus 2. To transpose the right hand complete terms to the left hand side, it is going to be xy2 plus 2y1 minus xy plus x square minus 2 is equal to 0. This is going to be our answer. Look at the options there. Here y2 was given as a y double dash, y1 was given as a y dash. That is only the difference. xy2, 3 possibilities. Next 2y1, 2 possibilities, these 2 possibilities. Minus xy, minus 2xy, only fourth option will be the right answer. Very simple questions. This was given for 1 mark in a Telangana ECET examination 2017. Look at the next question then. This question repeatedly asking in a ECET examination. I think it was repeated for 3 times. Let us see in our discussion here also. Form the differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant A. Only one arbitrary constant is there. We need to eliminate that arbitrary constant. So, in order to eliminate this arbitrary constant, I am going to write like this: A is equal to x cube divided by y square. If I differentiate both sides with respect to x, I am going to get like this: constant derivative is 0, u by v formula, y square will become y power 4, y square will write here, x cube derivative is 3x square minus x cube into y square derivative is 2y y1. 2y into y1. What do you mean by y1? y1 is nothing but derivative of y with respect to x one time, first derivative. If you transpose here, it is going to be 0, then you can transpose this value to also here, then we are going to get like this: x cube into 2y y1 is equal to y square into 3x square. Getting the cancellations, x square 2 times gets cancelled, y 1 time gets cancelled. Therefore, dy by dx will be is equal to 3y by 2x. This is going to be answer. Very simple question. We got the answer within few steps here. This was given for 1 mark in a ECET examination in 2018, in further years also. Let us see the problem. This problem is repeating for number of times. Try to observe that we need to eliminate the arbitrary constant small a. If you separate the arbitrary constant and variable, then it is easy to eliminate a single arbitrary constant by differentiating both sides. So, looking at the options, we can say our answer here, that is the first option, 3y by 2x. Remember this answer. Definitely we are going to have a repetition here. We look at the other further questions also. This was given in AP ECET 2018 for 1 mark. Look at the next question. The differential equation formed by eliminating the arbitrary constant a and b from the equation x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This was the simplest question given for 1 mark So let us solve this then. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, firstly x derivative is 1, that's why we are going to left out with 1 by a plus 1 by b into y1 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Now again differentiating, as we have two arbitrary constant, we can differentiate up to 2 times here. Then 1 by a derivative is 0 plus 1 by b into y2 is equal to 0. From this we can say y2 is equal to 0. y2 is nothing but y double dash is equal to 0. The notations are different but both are same. y2, either you can say y2 or y double dash or f double dash of x or d square y. These are the different notations. Very simple question. We can easily answer this question. This was given for 1 mark in a Telangana state ECET examination in 2018. Try to observe, you can easily score the answer. Most of the students felt the difficulty of, they felt like differential equation is a difficult, but it's not difficult, no, it's very easy. If you focus, it is very easy. It is if you focus, definitely the topic is very easy. Just now I told you this question was repeated. Yes, it is repeated. It was given in AP ECET 2019. So ay square is equal to x cube. Just now we derived this, right? dy by dx is equal to 3y by 2x. 3y by 2x. Just now we solved this question. So our answer will be 3y by 2x. Same question. You can look at the question. The question is same. Repeated again in AP ECET 2019. Right. Look at the next question then. Form the differential equation representing the family of curves x square is equal to 4ay, where a is a arbitrary constant. We need to eliminate a small a. How can I eliminate small a? By writing x square by y is equal to 4a. If you differentiate both sides with respect to x, we can easily eliminate the small a. Differentiating both sides, then we are going to get a y square, y into 2x minus x square into y1 is equal to 0. Y square transposing here 0. The remaining will be 2xy minus x square y1 is equal to 0. If I take minus x common and bring outside there, it is going to be xy1 minus 2y is equal to 0. This is going to be our answer. X dy by dx minus 2y, not plus 2y, minus 2y, that is going to be first option. Very simple. This question is given in AP ECET examination in 2019. Look at the next question then. This question, again we did this problem, right? A into e power bx. Just now we completed this problem. A into e power bx. A into e power bx. Right? A into e power bx. What is our answer? y2 minus y1 square is equal to 0. y2 minus y1 square is equal to 0. y2 minus y1 square is equal to 0. Look at the options then. This y1 square was written in the right hand side. Then what happened then? Y into d square y by dx square is equal to dy by dx whole square. Dy by dx whole square. From that we can say the fourth option is going to be right answer for this question. Is it clear? This was repeated in 2020 Telangana ECET examination shift 2. Look at the next question then. Log of y by x is equal to cx, where c is arbitrary constant. Then the solution of the differential, if c is arbitrary constant is a solution of differential equation, then what would be the differential equation? We need to find out a differential equation. How many arbitrary constants are there? Single arbitrary constant is there. We need to eliminate that single arbitrary constant. So let me eliminate that single arbitrary constant here by writing like this: log y by x by x is equal to c. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, c is going to be eliminated. Then u by v formula, that is x square x into log f of x formula. Log f of x derivative is 1 by f of x into f dash of x. F dash of x means derivative of y by x. Derivative of y by x is x square x into dy by dx minus y into x derivative is 1. This is completely multiply to only x. This is u by v formula. We have written v square, v into u dash. This complete value is a numerator derivative. Then minus log of y by x, Now denominator derivative. What is denominator? X. X derivative is a 1. If you multiply 1, that is a 1 here, is equal to 0. If you transpose this x square to the right hand side, it is going to be 0. And if you transpose this log function to the right hand side, it is going to be positive value. Then remaining I am writing here. X into x by y, into here, if I divide this, x dy by dx minus y whole divided by x square, that will be, we can write like this. This x square is divided for each and every term. Then let me divide then. If I divide x square to each term, then it is going to be x gets cancelled. Then the remaining will be dy by dx by x minus y by x square is equal to log of y by x. Okay. Then multiply x square inside, x into x square, x gets cancelled. Therefore, x by y into dy by dx and x square gets cancelled, minus y gets cancelled, minus 1 is equal to log of y by x. This is going to be our answer. See, look at the option then. Log of y by x is equal to x by y dy by dx minus 1. First option is going to be answer for this question. Is it clear? This was given in AP ECET 2022 Shift 2 paper. Look at the next question. The differential equation associated with a primitive ax square plus by square is equal to 1. This question also repeated for I think 2 times. Let me write the question. That is ax square plus by square is equal to 1. When you have this type of question, try to write the determinant form. The determinant form is modulus of a coefficient, that is x square, b coefficient y square, and equal right hand side value, that is a 1. Let me differentiate the entire row. Then it is going to be 2x, 2y, y1. One derivative is a 0. If I take 2 outside, that will be 0. You can bring outside. 2x derivative will be, you can write x derivative will be 1. Okay. Derivative will be 1. Okay. Chalo. Otherwise, you can write down 2 also. No issues. If you differentiate this, you are going to get a 2. If you differentiate this 2 of y by 2 plus y1 square, differentiation of 0 is a 0. Let me write clearly this one. That is 1, 0, 0. Modulus is equal to 0. See, you can bring 2 outside and you can equate to 0. You can bring 2 outside and you can equate to 0. Then the remaining will be modulus of x square, y square. This is going to be x, this is going to be 1, this is going to be y, y1, this is going to be y, y2 plus y1 square. And the third term is 1, 0, 0 is equal to 0. Then just multiplying, we are going to get answer here. See, if you multiply with respect to this 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0, then definitely 1 is going to be the only single multiple, that is 1 into, okay. Definitely it is position of 1 comma 3, 1 plus 3 definitely positive value, that is why I am writing plus 1 here, into x into this value, that is going to be xy y2 plus xy1 square minus of this value and this value, that is minus y1 is equal to 0. But again, what is the answer is going to be? The answer is going to be xy y2 plus xy1 square minus y1 is equal to 0. That's it. So, where is your option then? xy y2 plus xy1 square minus y1 is equal to 0. The same question repeated, I think so. Let me look at the repetition also. The answer is xy y2 plus xy1 square minus y1 is equal to 0. Yes, this is the question, right? The same question, ax square plus by square is equal to 1. What was the distinction of that in this question? only capital A, capital B was replaced by small a, small b. And then what is the answer here? xy y2 plus xy2 plus xy1 square minus yy1 minus yy1 is equal to 0 Then what would the answer here? See, by looking at the option was just more manipulated here, that is he just brought this minus y1 to the right hand side, then it is going to be xy2 plus xy1 square is equal to yy1 Is it okay? Look at the options then. xy2 plus xy1 square is equal to yy1. Third option will be the right option for this question. Very simple question which was given in AP ECET 2023 exam paper, that was in a shift 1. Look at the next question. So these are the questions given in a ECET examination. Then we are going to look at the most expected questions in 2024. The first question. The differential equation for which y square is equal to 4a into x plus a, where a is a parameter, we need a general solution. We need to eliminate a. Differentiating both sides, we are going to get 2y y1 is equal to 4a. 2y y1 is equal to 4a. From 2y y1 is equal to 4a, what would be a? A is nothing but 2y y1 by 4. From this I can say y y1 by 2. Now I know the a value and 4a value. Replace in the given question. If I replace in the given question, y square is equal to 4a is nothing but 2y y1 and a is nothing but x plus y y1 by 2. See, y gets cancelled, right? So further you can write like this. So if y is equal to if you take LCM in this, otherwise you can multiply inside 2x y1 plus 2 gets cancelled, y into y1 square. This is going to be our answer. Look at the options then. The options were represented in some other different manner. Just written the 2x y1 as the single term. 2x y1 is nothing but 2x y dash also. y1 y dash both are same is equal to y minus y into y dash square. If I take y common in this, then what happened then? If I take y common, or you can represent like this only. Any option with this possibility? Look at the options. Any options possibility? 2x y dash is equal to y minus y into y1 square, y dash square. That is first option. You can answer this question like this. Very simple question. This was the expected one. Look at the next question then. Y is equal to ax plus b. How many arbitrary constants? There are 2 arbitrary constants. Then the possibility of differential equation. y2 is equal to 0. First y1 is equal to a. Then y2 is equal to 0. Simple question. That is d square y by dx square is equal to 0. You can expect this type of question. The answer is d square y by dx square is equal to 0, only fourth option. The third option also included d square y d cube y by dx cube, which is not a part of answer, because as there is number of constant is 2, the order of differential equation is definitely going to be only 2, not going to be the 3. That is the observation here. Next question. A, B, C, D are the arbitrary constants, then the corresponding differential equation to y is equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x plus c into cos x plus d into sin x is. Yes, as we have 4 arbitrary constants, definitely our order of the differential equation is going to be 4, right? That means we need to differentiate the given question 4 times. Let us do that then. Let me do differentiation first time. y1 is equal to a into e power x will be a into e power x. This second term will be b into minus e power minus x. Third term will be c into minus sin x, that will be minus c sin x. Fourth term will be d cos x. Let me differentiate second term here, that is y2 is equal to a e power x will be as it is. Second term will be b into e power minus x plus b into e power minus x. And third term will be minus c into sin x derivative cos x. and cos x derivative minus sin x, that is minus d into sin x. This is y2. Let me differentiate again here y3. If I differentiate again, that is going to be the y3, right? So differentiation of y3 is nothing but a into e power x will be as it is. This is going to be minus b into e power minus x. This is going to be cos x derivative minus sin x. Then this is going to be plus c into sin x. Plus c into sin x. This is going to be sin x derivative will be cos x minus d into cos x. Let me differentiate one more time here. Then it is going to be the same question as you can see in the question. Let me check. A into e power x will be a into e power x. This is going to be plus b into e power minus x. This is going to be sin derivative cos, so therefore c into cos x plus cos derivative is minus sin, therefore plus d into sin x plus d into sin x. Look at the right hand, a into e power x plus b into e power minus x plus c into cos x plus d into sin x is nothing but our given question. So what do you mean by that? Y4 is equal to y. Y4 is equal to y. Look at the options then. Y4 is equal to y, nothing but a first option. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question then. These are the most expected questions going to be there in a ECET examination. The differential equation for the family of curves x square plus y square minus 2ay is equal to 0, where a is an arbitrary constant. We need to eliminate this small a. So the question can be written like this: x square plus y square divided by y is equal to 2a. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, then we are going to get like this: y square y into x square derivative 2x, y square derivative 2y y1 minus x square plus y square, y derivative will be y1 is equal to 0. 2a derivative is 0. And if you transpose y square to the right hand side, that is also become 0. Then multiply inside, this is going to be 2xy plus 2y square y1 minus x square y1 minus y square y1 is equal to 0. From this I can say 2y square minus y square, that is going to be plus y square y1 minus x square y1 is equal to 0. This is an equivalent of an answer. You can look at the options then. So the options are mentioned 2xy separately and y1 term completely separately. You can also bring the other terms here. If you want to write in this term the 2xy separately, I am writing 2xy on the left hand side. I am transposing the entire thing to the right hand side and taking y1 common. If I take y1 common, see, this minus will become plus, that's why it will come first. This plus will become minus, that's why it will come in a second term, that is x square minus y square. 2xy is equal to y1 into x square minus y square. Any option? Yes, 2xy is equal to y1 into x square minus y square. With this, you can say second option is going to be the right option for this question. Look at the next question then. If c is a parameter, then differential equation whose solution is y is equal to c square plus c by x. We need to eliminate c here. If I differentiate both sides, I am going to get y1 is equal to 0 plus c into minus 1 by x square. From this, the c value is going to be minus x square y1. C value is going to be minus x square y1. Replace c by minus x square y1. Then what happened then? See, y is equal to c square is nothing but minus whole square is plus 1. That is going to be x power 4 into y1 square. This is c square value. Then plus c value is nothing but minus x square y1 divided by x. X gets cancelled. One time x is remaining. Then what I can write here? Y is equal to x to the power of 4 y1 square minus x into y1. This is going to be our answer. Look at the options then. Y is equal to x to the power of 4 into y1 square. So there are two possibilities, minus x into y1. Definitely our third option is going to be the right option for this question. These are the most expected questions in in a regular equation. Look at the next question then. The differential equation obtained by eliminating the arbitrary constants a and b from xy is equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x. See, when you have exponential function e power x, if you differentiate e power x, number of times you are going to get the same e power x. If you differentiate e power minus x two times, you are going to get again same e power minus x. That is the funda in differentiating this type of questions. If I differentiate both sides, the first differentiation will be xy1 plus y is equal to a e power x minus b into e power minus x. If I differentiate second time, it is going to be xy2 plus y1 plus y1 is equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x. This is nothing but a given question. So what I can replace here, xy2 plus 2y1 is equal to, this is a given question, that is xy. That's it. This is going to be answer. So if you transpose this term to the left hand side, that's xy term, the answer is going to be xy2 plus 2y1 minus xy is equal to 0. Look at the options then, minus xy. Three possibilities are there, xy2, only one possibility, xy2 plus 2y1 minus xy is equal to 0, first option. Like this you can answer the questions, okay. Look at the next question then. Form the differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants from the equation x square is equal to 5ay. This type of question you can expect in the examination. So you need to eliminate a here. The question can be written like this, x square by y is equal to 5a, differentiating both sides, y square is equal to y into 2x minus x square into y1 is equal to 0. This can be written like this, 2xy minus x square y1 is equal to 0. If I take x common, it is going to be 2y minus xy1 is equal to 0. If I take minus common, xy1 minus 2y is equal to 0. This is going to be answer. xy1 minus 2y is equal to 0. Third option will be the answer. Like this type of questions you can expect in a ECET examination. Next question. The differential equation whose solution is y is equal to ax plus b power x, where a and b are arbitrary constants. Try to write in determinant form here. Y was given like this, y is equal to a coefficient x, b coefficient e power x, and y1 derivative is y derivative is y1, x derivative is 1, e power x derivative is e power x, y1 derivative is y2, 1 derivative is 0, e power x derivative is e power x. Determinant is equal to 0. When you find any column with a identical value, you can bring outside the determinant, you can bring a common that value and you can bring outside of the determinant. Then so same determinant is going to be written like this, modulus of y, y1, y2, x 1 0 1 1 1. This will be the determinant is equal to. Let me write the determinant value. Firstly, I am writing with respect to first column y into 1. Next minus y1. I am writing with respect to first column minus y1 into x plus y2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. That's it. This is going to be our answer. Look at the options then. X minus 1 into y2 minus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. X minus 1 into y2 minus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. Second option is going to be the answer. You can expect this type of question, but these questions are useful when the question was given with a b, two arbitrary constant with some coefficient. The same concept we already done with ax square plus by square is equal to 1 also. The same determinant form we written with ax square plus bx square plus 1 also. These two questions already completed in a ECET examination. Same funda you can expect this type of question. These questions are going to be solved by using the determinant form of differential equations. So these are about the expected questions, and we are providing the wonderful opportunity. Please utilize this opportunity. We are providing the complete course for only 2,900. This course is available in SAIMEDHA which this is available in our Play Store. You can download our app and details, enter the basic details. Then you can, the sign up process completed. First follow the gunshot bits. Then if you have any doubt, go for full course. and please refer the PYQs also. We provided video solutions over there. Please go through that. And if you have any doubt regarding this admission, you can contact the numbers 924621238, 9642528589, 9848692598, and utilize this wonderful opportunity of test series. And you have the number of tests, number of exams, number of bits availability, almost 5800 bits, subject wise bits, and a combination of subjects wise bits also, maths separately, physics separately, chemistry separately, MPC cumulatively, engineering subjects grand test, and overall 9 mock tests are there. Try to utilize every exam, try to practice every bit. Then this is the time of exam mode. Trying to come in the exam mode and practice in this way. Try to utilize this bits practice and try to utilize this course for gunshot bits and a complete course. This is the time coming to the exam mode. I am just requesting you to utilize this opportunity. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am going to meet in the next video. Until then, bye. Take care.